Okay, welcome back to another video talking about the belief principle, the book that I've written called The Belief Principle. If you want to check it out, go over to Amazon and get it just now. But I want to give you a quick tip just now, and there's a question: how do I install a new belief? So the way you install a new belief is, first of all, have a new belief to hand that you want to install. So for example, if you want to install the belief that I am intelligent, what you have to do is start to look for evidence to prove that you're intelligent. So it might be that you passed kind of all your exams at school, or you passed a driving test, or you love reading, or anything that your perception of intelligence, what it really comes down to that, and start to look for evidence to prove that you actually do that already. So you might have a belief just now that you're not intelligent, and that's a rock solid belief. So imagine this is your rock solid belief that you're not intelligent. Now, when you start to question that belief, then that kind of rock solid belief starts to turn molten almost immediately because you're questioning it. And then when you've got this new belief over here, that this is a new belief, that I am intelligent, you cannot hold two opposing beliefs in your mind at the same time. So this belief, the new belief, has to override this one and turn into rock solid belief. So the way you do that is you look for evidence to prove that you are intelligent, as I said, and then repeat that kind of over time. You'll naturally, your subconscious mind will repeat that kind of information and the evidence and affirmations that you are intelligent, you love kind of history, you love kind of reading, you are an intelligent person. It just affirms it day in and day out, and over time this kind of new belief that you want to install, that becomes a rock solid belief. It goes over the old belief and becomes a rock solid belief: I am intelligent. And then more and more and more you'll gather evidence in your mind to prove that you're actually intelligent, and that then becomes a new belief for you, and that'll become the new norm for you. That's how you install a belief. I've simplified it very, very much. It's not quite as simple as that, but you can find out more in the book, The Belief Principle. But I just want to give you some quick tips and some things to think about in these videos. Okay, until next time, namaste, take care, bye now.